So repairs are something that is not a lot of people offer, and I don't think enough companies offer. You're providing a service. It's not a big cost. It's not something that is a money generator for us. It is simply just helping our community, because there's not always a need for a full makeover. It is I have a shingle that's damaged, or I have some wood that woodpeckers have gone to. You know, just being able to get through and fix their issue and provide them a service, and that's really what we're trying to do for everybody.
With repairs, we're not necessarily brand specific. We're trying to match what you currently have because we're trying to blend it in.
We do a lot of roof repairs, windows, doors, siding. Mainly a lot of our repairs are going through on old roof lines or wall lines, and just we do a thing where we cut up at least 4 to 6 inches so we can tear out all those old step flashings, and then we run our underlayment up the wall, our ice and water up the wall, at least the 7 to 8 inches that we can get, and then we step flash the whole thing. It's a lot of fun, and we work together and knock stuff out.
Somebody has a roof leak, we'll use that as an example. I'll investigate and find the leak. I'll find the source of the leak, even if it means running a hose on the roof to get it to leak, to find it. Beyond that, what we'll do is we'll come up with a resolution, and then we present that to the customer that this is what we need to do in order to make sure and ensure that this is going to take care of the problem. We don't overkill, but there are certain circumstances, like multiple layers of shingles or multiple issues, that can cause a bigger project to come about. We try to take care of what needs to be taken care of, and if the roof is shot, or in that case, or just worn out completely, we'll make them aware of that. So we offer the resolution and then our recommendation as well.
The satisfaction of seeing the finished product. I mean, that's the reason I love doing it today. I love to see, like, they think it's gonna be such a big deal and you can just go knock it out real quick, and they're like, oh my, that's it? And it makes me happy that, you know, you can help them out a little bit.